For the patty we will need boiled potatoes, ginger, green chilies and poha. Spices required are coriander powder, jeera powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala powder. In a pan, heat some oil and butter. Add chopped ginger and green chilies and sauté for some time. Add spice mix and stir. Add the mashed boiled potato and poha and cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Add salt. Let the mixture cool completely before making the patty. Make a batter out of maida, cornstarch and water. Season both the mixtures with salt. Sprinkle some mixed herbs on breadcrumbs. Mix well. Shape the patty as shown. Beat the patty in maida mixture and then into the breadcrumbs. Heat oil on medium flame and fry the patty until golden brown. Flip occasionally. For the sauce, mix equal quantities of mayonnaise and tomato ketchup. Before assembling, toast the buns, slice onions and tomatoes. Apply the sauce on both the halves of the bun. Place a patty on the bottom bun followed by a slice of onion and a few slices of tomato. Top it off with the bun. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel.